Ever wonder how a single microscopic cell grows into a fully formed baby? Let's break down the incredible journey of human life, step by step. It all begins when a sperm meets an egg. Out of millions of sperm cells released during intercourse, only one can penetrate the egg in a process called fertilization. This occurs in the fallopian tube, forming a single cell called a zygote. The zygote begins dividing into more cells as it travels to the uterus. By day 5, it becomes a blastocyst, a tiny cluster of cells ready to implant in the uterine wall. This marks the start of pregnancy. Once implanted, the blastocyst grows into an embryo. Over the next 8 weeks, the foundations of all major organs and systems develop, including the heart, brain, and spinal cord. The placenta forms, acting as a lifeline between the mother and embryo, supplying nutrients and oxygen. At 9 weeks, the embryo becomes a fetus. During this phase, organs mature, the nervous system develops, and features like fingers, toes, and even fingerprints appear. By the end of the second trimester, the fetus can hear and even respond to light. In the last trimester, the fetus rapidly gains weight and prepares for life outside the womb. Lungs fully develop, and the baby moves into a head-down position. Finally, around 40 weeks, the baby is born through labor and delivery, a miraculous culmination of this 9-month journey. From a single cell to a baby ready to meet the world, the process of creating life is truly extraordinary. If you found this journey fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.